Hey, this is Devlog10. So it's been a while. I definitely wasn't procrastinating, but I did add a couple of things as you can see right here, Tyro and Pyro Bullet, which will be which will be part of like the upgrades you can get. Like the idea is you can change what you can change like the bullet type, and I guess I might as well show it right now. See, there's the only other thing I did other than this was start planning ahead of what I'm gonna do. But let me just explain this real quick. Okay, so the pyro bullet, of course, it just lights them on fire, and then they'll just take damage over time. A pretty simple one, but very good. And then the Cairo one will slow uh whatever you hit down, and it's cumulative. So the more you hit it, the slower it gets. So you see this faster one. Oh, after I reload. See, after when it gets slower and slower every time I hit it. Oh, and I'm dead. But basically, or that's basically what I added, and it's just mainly just to see if I can do it. And I think that they turned out well. And let's see, when the other thing I did was start planning for what I'm going to be doing, like in the long term for this. Like I just planned ahead of what I'm gonna do for the next episode. So of course I'm gonna continue making some gameplay mechanics that make use of the points, such as like perks, buffs, uh, ammo fetch and upgrades, things like that, just to like make progression in the game feel good. Next I'll probably add grenades, and then once I got all like the weapons sorted out and stuff, I'll start adding more unique enemies, like just to make or make it more diverse. And that's then I'll actually uh start creating art and animating for all of this. It won't just be squares. I'm still deciding whether it should be like pixel art or not, but either way, it's just gonna be a top down. And then after that, I'm gonna probably just fully revamp the map just to make it better. Even after all the me adding in all the art. Let's see. Oh yeah, when I'm gonna be like changing it from like the generic zombie thing to like almost like a fantasy but with guns. I don't know how to say, like almost like a steampunk kind of thing, but with like arcane stuff. I just think it will make it have a cooler aesthetic, as well as allows me to be more flexible with what I add to the game without me being limited to like say like just zombies. I could just add like some kind of like ghost type of thing that maybe goes through walls. I don't know. Uh, and then as well as I can make like the perks be related to like magic or maybe like cultish things. I don't know the exact vibe I'm going for yet, but I think making it more fantasy than like realistic zombie shooter kind of like feeling is just gonna be better for the game overall, especially since it's so arcadey. And I think that's about it. Yeah.